What? No way! No! On again. Oh my gosh! Yo! Yo!
Hold it out a little more. Give it some love, you know what I'm saying?
Oh my gosh! So hard with the GoPro right here.
Alrighty, welcome to a chilly morning in December. Today we went out in hopes of some sheepshead, which we found, but definitely a challenge to find in the beginning. A majority of this video will have music overlaid as Matt brought his speaker out and I'm not trying to get a copyright strike. Even though Foo Fighters sounds 10 times better when you're on the water and your kayak is vibrating to the beats. As always, thank you for watching. I appreciate feedback or questions from videos, so if you have any, feel free to leave them below and I'll see you in the next adventure.
Stay away, you were never meant to save me. Now I stay away, I don't hear you say you're sorry. Hate I even loved you, hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you, hate I kinda fell in love with you. You in my sight, I keep all the words you said to me. I get you on your knees. Rewrite all the things you said that I should be. I'll get you, now you'll beg me please. Hey, now I stay away, you were never meant to save me. Now I stay away, I don't hear you say you're sorry. Hate I even loved you, hate I fell in love with you.
You got anything yet? I just landed my first one. It's tiny. I'm gonna stay here till I run out of shrimp and then I'll come back to you.
Just give me a...
Alright, just hit bottom and now wait. What? No way!
Is that another good one?
I was like, and now we wait. It wasn't even a bite, it just pulled straight down. No!
You see those boats?
Oh, damn. Oh my goodness! There's that big one! No! What'd you get caught on? Oh!
Literally. A little better. Female bitch. God damn. Fun. A little bit. I'm gonna try deeper.
There's not one, not white.
Okay.
Nada, yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Dang. Good. Doubles, let's go! I got a little one, but I got a calico. Dude, this thing put up so much fight for being so small. Dude, calicos are so sick. On again. Oh my gosh! Yo! Yo! Oh, it's so funny. I can see it so far down deep. Good one, alright. Female. Alright, we got ourselves a shrimp. Ooh, I want to drop on the kill. Walmart spinner, 15-pound test, option fluorocarbon, dropper loop. Just put a shrimp on, dropping it to the bottom. All right, we've hit bottom, close the bail. I like to pop it up, let it hit back down so if it ravels, it gets unstuck. And now you just wait for a bite, and then you set the hook. Oh my gosh.